first ever South African DIY video. My name is Rayella and today I will be showing you how to make some Lushious lemon lip balm. For today's DIY, you will be needing a few simple ingredients. Let's start off with our V6, beeswax, shea butter, Lushious lemon essential oil, a few containers for your lip balm, a wooden spoon and a mixing bowl. Let's get started. Start off by adding a few of your beeswax grains to your bowl. Then add a spoonful of shea butter. Add a spoon of V6. This is what you should have in your mixing bowl. We'll melt this down to an even consistency before adding our essential oil. Once we've reached an even consistency, you may add your essential oils. Today we're going to do about 20 drops of Lushious lemon. Once you've added your essential oils, you can give it a good stir. And now we're going to transfer our mixture into our containers. Once you've transferred the mixture into the containers, leave to rest for at least 1 to 2 hours until it sets. Pro tip, you can use any of your favorite essential oils, not just Lushious lemon. And thank you so much for joining us for this DIY. See you next time.